We moving up in the world, y'all. We moving up in the world. Okay, y'all. We were able to get another stove. So this is it for oldie but goodie. This is it, y'all. This is it for oldie but goodie. Y'all take one last look. It's been a good one through all these years, 20 plus years. But we're about to get away with the oldie but goodie. We're gonna donate it elsewhere. It's time for it to move on. And here's our next one. We hope it'll be oldie but goodie too. It's looking pretty good from here.
You got I'm gonna make
Cody's building a ramp, so to speak. Okay, it might, oh boy. This looks like it's holding. All right, Mr. Henry. You ain't bringing it in the house, are you? Oh, okay. All right. You gotta figure out that old deal. We used to the old-fashioned stuff. Okay, he's bringing in Sally Sue. Let's see if she lasts as long as oldie but goodie. He's bringing in Sally Sue. I helped him tilt it. That's the best I can do. Okay, now. Here's that spot over there. Sally Sue. She don't look too bad. She looks a lot newer than what we were working with. I think my mama's looks like that down there with the dark. Because I didn't really want one with the white top. I wanted the dark top on it, you know. So it wouldn't show so bad. Sally Sue, let's see what we can do with you.
all right, you can help me put it down now, right?
I got it, honey. I can do this. I just don't want to. Okay, hold on. Hold on now. Okay.
You got to struggle. Just let it ease
I know. I had to make sure
Did you have it?
I don't like to do this. Okay. This is the kind of stuff I was made to do. And tomahawk, and I don't like to do it.
Alright, so now I'm going to plug it up. And we're going to check it.
So you're not used to doing all that.
Doing all that, and we got to put it back
That. Okay, Sally Sue. We hope you're going to serve us like oldie but goodie now, okay? You don't look too bad. You really don't. Yep, you don't look too bad, I have to say. We moving up in the world, y'all. We moving up in the world. Let me say it one more time for the people in the back. We're moving up in the world. We're moving up in the world, y'all. We moving up in the world. We moving up in the world. We moving up in the world. All right, let me say goodbye one more time to oldie but goodie. Okay, oldie but goodie. One more time for the people in the back. Oh, we got to get those dishes out of there too. This thing is going through some stuff. Sally Sue, at your service. Okay, now. Clean it up a little bit. Clean you up a little bit, Sally Sue. So you said so far it works, huh? Okay, we in business. Okay, I got to see here. Hour, okay, we in business.
What
And then
time
the
is it?
timer. Wait. That's about right.
Okay.
And then I could use my little timer. See, the on timer. And then I could do the hour and minute after I hit timer. Oh, yeah. I like that. We in business. 125.
You got an
I
oven.
take that.
Got an oven clean.
Yeah, it should.
Well, it wasn't working.
Huh?
I mean, you know, just need a little cleaning up.
Hey,
Other than that,
That's-
what kind
that
of
don't
lock-
look too
got a-
bad.
Got a lock on?
yes, that's
Well, how that work?
good because
Them little girls.
yeah, I would think. And so you slide that. Ain't there a piece or something that you
Right
slide
there.
over? Yeah, because I know. I've seen that in my mama's do that little piece, and that holds it. Yeah, ain't too complicated. We moving up in the world.
Yeah.
Took
So,
us 20-some years.
now you can take the test off.
Yes, let's take the tested off.
And
We're
I'll
gonna
be,
hold you to it.
And I'll be
You going to Harold's, all right? Good.
yeah.
And like I said, then we'll have enough for tomorrow. After tomorrow evening, we'll still have something to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody gotta get these just throw down the steps. You know,
Well,
wanna
you need
sell
some
it?
help for that, huh?
You want to sell it?
We can.
How much?
You don't usually talk about selling stuff. What's wrong with you?
Listen.